Stop breaking your fast like this if you don't want to ruin its benefits. Hi, I am Dr. Azmi, and today I'll share 5 must-have iftar foods backed by research and explain how the first 10 minutes of your iftar can decide how you feel at Taraweeh. After 12 to 14 hours of fasting, your metabolism is in a very sensitive state. So the real question is, are you breaking your fast in a way that supports your body or shocks it? After prolonged fasting, the blood glucose drops, glycogen stores reduce, insulin sensitivity increases, mild dehydration develops. The studies on intermittent fasting have shown that body becomes more metabolically flexible, meaning it responds strongly to the first food you eat. So let us choose wisely. Number 1. Dates for controlled glucose restoration, less insulin shock, and quick energy.
Breaking fast with me isn't just tradition, it's physiologically smart. I contain natural glucose, fructose, potassium, and fiber.
Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry shows I have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory properties, and I cause a moderate glycemic response compared to refined sugars.
Number 2. Water and electrolytes. Your cells need water before they need samosas.
The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows even mild dehydration affects mood, cognition, and blood pressure stability.
Put a pinch of salt plus lemon in water. I help improve sodium balance and fluid absorption. Hydrate before you load your stomach.
Number 3. Fruits. If you feel sleepy 20 to 30 minutes after iftar, it is often a rapid glucose spike. Fruit helps smoothen that curve.
Contain natural sugars, fiber, vitamin C, polyphenols, which means fewer sugar crashes.
The BMJ and Diabetes Care show higher fruit intake is associated with better glycemic control and lower risk of type 2 diabetes.
Number 4. Protein, to prevent muscle loss and curb cravings. This is where most people fail because they have only carbs and fried foods, leading to fat gain. Try to include protein in form of eggs, lentils, grilled chicken, sprouts, Greek yogurt, or hung curd.
During prolonged fasting, the body may start using muscle protein for energy if dietary protein is insufficient.
Adequate protein intake preserves lean body mass during calorie restriction, as per the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. I help stabilize blood sugar, reduce ghrelin, the hunger hormone, improve satiety, and protect metabolism.
Number 5. Soup, for gentle digestive activation. After hours of rest, your digestive system needs gradual stimulation. Heavy fried food as the first bite is a digestive shock.
Clinical nutrition research shows warm fluids enhance gastric emptying compared to cold, heavy meals.
Rehydrate, provide minerals, improve gastric motility, stimulate digestive enzymes, reduce bloating risk.
Ramadan is not about reward through food. It is about discipline. Your body adapts beautifully during fasting. It improves insulin sensitivity and metabolic flexibility. Don't undo that process in 15 minutes. Your body is entrusted to you. It is an amana. Treat it like one. If you learned something new today, comment iftar and tell me, what do you usually break your fast with? Share this video with someone who needs to fix their Ramadan plate. Subscribe for more such health guidance. Ramadan Mubarak. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy.